To begin this tutorial, I renamed the file and inserted my name and date into the documentation page. Next, I went to the Park Usage Data worksheet and selected the cell range A3 to D15. This data was then used to create a 3D column chart. The chart was then moved to a new worksheet, which was titled Monthly Visits. The tab was then shifted so it would be after the Documentation tab, but before the Park Usage Data. The chart style was changed to style 42 from the Chart Style Gallery, and a chart title was added. In this case, we selected the overlap title at top. The chart is now titled Kenai Fjords National Park 2013 Census. The font was changed to be size 24, and then the legend was removed from the chart. A vertical axis tile titled Monthly Visitors was added and resized to size 14 font. The chart was then selected, and a 3D chart rotation was done. The x-axis was set to be 30 degrees. The y-axis was changed to be 20 degrees, and the perspective 25 degrees. In addition, the depth axis was altered to be displayed in reverse order. In the chart menu, I selected Add Data to insert the data table without a legend. The fill color for the Visitor Center data series was changed to orange. Next, I went back to the Park Usage Data tab and selected the data B3 to D3, as well as B16 to D16 simultaneously. This data was then used to create a 3D pie chart, which is visible here, and was also moved to the monthly visit sheet. I added the title Total Visits, changed the size to 16-point font, and changed the color to white. The color of the Visitor Center wedge was again changed to orange to match the chart. The legend was removed, and data labels were added to be displayed inside of each slice, representing the total number of visitors at a given location in the park for the year. The fill color was adjusted to none, and the border was changed to be no line, effectively removing it. The chart was resized and moved to the lower left of the column chart. The final step was to go back to the Park Usage Data sheet and insert the bars here, as can be done through the Conditional Formatting menu. The data range which was used was B4 to D15, and the rules were modified for the maximum bar length to have a value of 100,000. The data on the x-axis of the chart details the time frame for each series of data, the y-axis details the number of monthly visitors, and the depth axis represents the location of where the visitors were within the park. These labels correlate with the colors and data located on the pie chart.